I'm on the hunt for power steering. Hopefully I'm not in the way, so this is gonna take long. I'm checking every 58 Fairlane. This ain't no 58. Well, this is something else. This is an Edsel. Power steering. Okay, we got power steering, I think. It looks like it. I'll have to inquire about this entire front right here. Okay, yeah. So this Edsel is going to yield some power steering stuff. That's a 58. Well, he said he had one down here that had power steering. Yeah, it's an Edsel 58. The tire front is pretty much the same as the 58 Fairlane. All 58s are pretty much the same darn thing. So, power steering. I don't know if I'll take that deal with me or not, but I have to take a picture of this car. So, well, that pretty much ends the hunt for power steering, because he said he had one down here. If not, just check each and every Fairlane. Since this has power steering, I want to refurbish it, because the ones online, over $900 to about $1,500. I ain't got that kind of money to throw around. At least not yet. But got a power steering unit for the 58 Fairlane. And I just gotta go inquire about it. How about that? Well, that was an interesting unload. But now it's right there, so Tucker can process it for Drama Queen. And looks like we actually got the rare amber turn signals on this one. That one's got white and standard. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I'll have to take those off here. Yeah. So, she's got a parts car. This thing's wrecked when it was underneath. I didn't want to waste too much time because I want to get this unloaded because I got some things to do. But the frame is shot. It's all kind of twisted and pushed back. The floorboards are still pretty good. Have to figure out what's good and what's not still. There we go. Open at last. Oh gosh. Oh, there's the... Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's the original booklet. We'll go through that another time. Some stuff in here is still pretty decent. Hey, look at that. Galaxie. And Tucker's will say Starliner. See if I can't get in here. Oh! Wow, look at that dash. Both are automatic cars, but he's going to turn Drama Queen into a 4-speed. Any keys? No. Where is the ignition switch on that? Oh, it's over there. No key. So, from what I read up, I guess some of the floorboard up right here to the back, I think about so far here in the body works. Of course, wing windows, the crank handles, a bunch of stuff to work over. Gonna get this kind of aired out. I'm not sure if these will cross over. Of course, this stuff right here, it's for a sedan 4-door, so these doors won't work. Yeah, someone did paint her blue over this cream white. Not sure what this was. Probably could have been a 352. But I can't get that door open to check the numbers. So yeah, Galaxie, that'd be a nice little go-to piece. Oh good, it opens up. It opens up. It's very interesting. And it's a real shame that this got wrecked, but it's a 4-door. So it's going to get processed. Tucker will do a whole bunch of stuff to it. He'll take off whatever stuff that he needs and go from there. Of course, nothing on the post. Too bad about the windshield because this thing's broke. So probably, I guess he's going to cut it right here and everything else because this car's going to get chopped. I mean, the car's no good. The body's bent, frame's bent, but the floorboards up here in the front are perfect. The, well, let's get out here. Oh. Because the rocker pans are perfect. And on Drama Queen they're not. The wheel wells and such are good. He's got both his chrome pieces, but we had one little boo-boo of an accident. I'll keep an eye out for another one, but yeah, it got scuffed a little. I'll see if I could take that out, polish it and do a whole bunch of stuff to it. He's got both of his rare chrome pieces in the back. I'm going to see when we cut it up about merging I'll skin the door if it needs anything on the side. I'll have to, we have to do everything, measure everything, but see if I could, weld those pieces together and make a spot right there in order to use this for an entire panel. But if not, then right here. As a matter of fact, I think this trunk deck, the trunk lid's bigger. It's way bigger. So we'll use this for parts of skin on it for the Starliner, for Drama Queen. But yeah, all this stuff back here is good on this. Yeah. Because now, got 3 cars to process. And I gotta get these going, gotta get everything going. Because I'm just a one-man army. Let's go over here to Drama Queen. Let that sink in. You guys will see the video this coming Sunday. So, oh yeah. Way smaller trunk lid. Way smaller. So we'll have to skin that other one and put it on this in certain spots and areas. And he's got, yeah, these are rotted. So, and the back bumper just needs to be re-straightened, fixed up, and re-chromed. The other one's no good. I'm not going to bother straightening bumpers. In fact, I hate doing those. I kind of know how to do them, but I just hate messing with them. Looks like just back right here, in honesty. On this side, bottom right there, or the rocker pans. Of course, this side. So I'll definitely have to skin the door on the right side and put it right here on the bottom. Yeah. Of course, I have to get a new door because that one's still opens, but look at that Starliner. Well, girl, you got a parts car. Now I just need to get a hood and a right fender and whatever else is missing on the grill. Probably a whole new grill. Yeah, a whole new grill because that one's actually messed up. Oh, and I have a message. But yeah, this actually came from nearby. I asked our relative where it came from. Said just half a mile away. It was in a dip. He explained it to me and showed me by motion. Okay, picture the car as you see right here. The dip pretty much came in on each side. dirt was about up so yay high, and I guess it just went over and on in into the engine compartment along with the rain. So that's why I blew a lot of dust and grime out. So I am 100% confident that that engine is really no good. It's because it's got a lot of water damage. Yeah, 60, 61. But anywho, she'll yield parts. Not much, but she'll yield some important ones. Oh my gosh, it's got an illumination plate on it too. That's steel for an automatic. Oh, that could be something for like a 3-speed. Oh, it's the same kind of setup. Oh, just about. Oh my gosh, long shaft. Almost looks like the 58 Fairlane, doesn't it? But that's not power steering. And I now got power steering. So I'm going to be yanking that thing off tomorrow. That's going to be the first thing to do. But anyhow, that pretty much settles everything. It is what it is. So as time passes, you'll see more work on this car being torn apart, along with Drama Queen being worked on. And when Tucker gets home, have him go over his projects and knickknacks, which will be part 2. And we're gonna have a lot of stuff. I'm gonna be very busy, but want to work on stuff a little at a time. And I just gotta get organized. And since the warm days are back, I'll now start working outside and get the rest of the property situated, so that way I can come out and just work on vehicles. Thank you all for the support that you've shown us. Have we been here on YouTube and online, and we can hope to continue growing more as time passes. Our videos will change up, projects will be brought out, and see where things go. So, me on behalf of Tucker, wherever he is traveling, so y'all have a good now, take care and stay safe. See you later, and thanks again.